welcome back to IBS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Chainlink crypto in the last 2 hours and the last 1 hour which change occur in Chainlink. I will show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please hit the subscribe button and complete my 3K support. My 3K subscriber, I need your support. Please support me. A lot of people are not subscribing my channel, so kindly if you listen my voice, don't ignore my words. Please kindly support me. Now let's see what's the price predictions occur in the Chainlink in the previous last 2 hours. Let's check it out the last 2 hour result of Chainlink cryptocurrencies, and also let's check it out the last 1 hour result of Chainlink cryptocurrencies. So as you can see on the screen, that is the live price prediction of last 2 hours, which is loading now currently. So please, if you don't subscribe my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also press the like button, like video. And the one thing which is very important for me, Chainlink cryptocurrencies holders, uh, please share your opinion about Chainlink cryptocurrencies, as Chainlink cryptocurrencies is better for investment or not. Please share your opinion in the comment box. As you can see here, the last 2 hour result of Chainlink cryptocurrency, so it is clearly it is clear that the Chainlink cryptocurrency is going upward in the last 2 hours. It's a jumping period of Chainlink cryptocurrencies. So congratulations to our Chainlink holders. As you can see here, the change is also in positive. 1.51% change occur in the Chainlink crypto, and the high price of Chainlink crypto is about $28.47 is the high price of Chainlink crypto. Let's see the last 1 hour result of Chainlink cryptocurrencies. What's the result of last 1 hour? Approximately they goes upward, as you can see here. In the future they goes upward because it is continuously jumping upward. In the previous 2 hours they start jumping upward. So it's really a jumping period of Chainlink cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, the change is in the last 1 hour is about 1.01% occur in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Chainlink cryptocurrencies in the previous last 1 hour is also $28.47 is the high price of Chainlink crypto, which is a good money, which is a good which is high amount of Chainlink cryptocurrencies. If you want to make money in a cryptocurrencies market, so it's a big opportunity for you. Buy a Chainlink cryptocurrencies and make a good amount of profit, amount of money. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't subscribe my channel, please hit the subscribe button right now and share your opinion in the comment box.